Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to categorize your expenses in Bright. Categorizing your expenses in Bright helps you to understand exactly where your money goes and how you can better manage it. So let's walk through the simple steps. First, open the Bright app and log into your accounts. Go to the transactions or the expense tab from the bottom menu. You're going to see a list of all your recent transactions. Scroll through and tap on any transaction that you want to categorize or recategorize. You can see the current category it has been assigned. Just tap on it to view all available category options. Choose the most relevant categories like groceries, rent, dining, or transportation, and tap save. If you want more control, you can also add tags or notes to label the transactions for future filtering. To make this process easier, Bright may ask if you want to apply the same category to similar transactions in the future. You can approve or skip based on your preference. To do this regularly to keep your financial records clean and accurate. Proper categorization helps you to make smarter budget decisions and spot spending trends quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.